Good morning and welcome to how to upload your videos to YouTube and share them with Evan. So the first thing that you're going to do, and obviously you see my home screen, is you will open up your Google Chrome. When you do that, you can open up any of the things that you're going to need or to want to use. This might include a Google Doc to show, an alternative video you're going to show through a different YouTube or a different URL, or potentially a Google slide presentation. That's up to you. As you see for me, I've already opened up my YouTube and I have my Screencast-O-Matic, which is where you will go. When you do this, you will then open screencast-o-matic.com. When you do that, where it shows my launch recorder, I'll ask you to log in with Google, and you will do that using your Goddard credentials. At which point your screen will look just like mine, and you will click Launch Recorder. When you launch the recorder, then a few things will happen. So first, you can adjust the screen size, test the microphone, and put your box, meaning where your video is, before you actually record. For me, that's the bottom right-hand corner, and I like to be consistent with that so that when I make Google slide presentations, I sort of organically remember that, and I don't put the text all the way down in the bottom right-hand corner or a picture. That way I don't cover up that essential information for my students during the video itself. At which point you can start record, and you'll get a 3-second sort of countdown, and then the recording will occur. When you're done, instead of sort of fumbling around for the record button and then your cursor moving, you can just hit Control P, and then your record will occur. At which point you can click Done, and you'll have 3 options. You want to click on the Upload to YouTube option. When you click on the Upload to YouTube option, you'll wait and the bar will complete. When it is fully uploaded, you will then open the video. That'll take you right to your YouTube. Again, if you have multiple YouTubes because of different email domains, you may want to already have that open as I do here. That way you don't try to upload it to the wrong one and then you can't find it later and think you lost it. When you actually upload the video, you'll have a few options. You'll need to title your video so they can be titled whatever you want it to be. And make sure you change the privacy settings so that it can be accessible when you send it. The other thing that is one extra step for Goddard specifically is there is a blue box that says not approved for Goddard use. You want to click approve so that way it's shareable to your students. If you don't do that, they'll see the link and try to click it, but it won't open. When you're fully completed with all of sort of that logistical information, you want to right click and copy the video link. Once you do that, you can paste away. Again, I would recommend pasting it into some form of a Google Doc. That way you just name it and put the link. And you can name your next one and put the link. And then as you want to actually upload those videos to your Google Classroom, for example, or your teacher page or wherever you need to put it, you can do so directly from that without having to get into YouTube proper every time. But again, that's up to you. If you have issues or problems with this process, again, feel free to shoot me an email and I will try to help you through that. And hopefully that goes well for you. So again, YouTube is really easy and there's some really big benefits of what you're actually doing and your information. So I would really recommend putting information there as opposed to housing it actually on your desktop and then having things get confused. So if you need any help with that, just let me know. Otherwise, good luck to you in this sort of digital transition. And if you need any help, let me know. Thank you and goodbye.